Escapades, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Sneha and you are watching Escapade with Sneha. So guys, in this video I would be telling you what ODOP is, that is one day orientation program for CS executive students who have to attend it, when they have to attend it, they have to pay something or not, how to attend, everything I would be clearing in here. So make sure you watch this video till the end and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, my new channel also, where I will be posting new challenges and fun videos. So let's get started. So guys, first we will talk about what is one day orientation program. So one day orientation program is conducted for CS executive students where they clear all our doubts, like whatever doubts we have, we can get that cleared. They tell us all the options, all the pattern, everything for the exam, what we have to do, how to study, what not to do, what to do, and they also give some motivational sessions. So it is like basically an interactive session where all your doubts are cleared, and they are conducted by some great CS. So it is a very good thing, and it is a must for all. So the first question comes directly from it, that is it compulsory for all? Yes, it is compulsory for all the CSET pass students, that is all the students who are going to give CS executive. If you will not give your ODOP, you will not be considered to give your exam, your CS executive. So it is a must, it is a mandatory thing to do after getting registered for CS executive. Next question is, do we have to pay something for that? No guys, if you are registered for CS executive, automatically all the amount which you have to pay for ODOP is calculated and is deducted from your registration amount only. So all the fees that you have to pay is there in your CS executive registration fees only. You don't have to pay any additional, not a single rupee, for going to one day orientation program. So the next question is, by when we will have to complete our ODOP. So guys, you have to complete your ODP within 15 days as said by the prospectus, but a lot of people are not able to complete it in 15 days, and all the ICSI chapters don't conduct it within 15 days. So they wait for some few months. So the last date before you have to complete your ODOP is 25th of September 2021. Okay, that is a must, and you make sure that you have completed it before 25th of September for 2021 to give in December attempt, or 25th March to give before June attempt. Okay. So the next question is, how to attend one day orientation program. So guys, you can attend your one day orientation program in two modes, that is online mode and offline mode. How to do it in online mode? Online mode you can do it in two types, that is MTOP app and e-learning portal of ICSI. So I have already told you how to do that. So you can check that video, e-learning portal and MTOP app. But also guys, there was a question that I forgot to clear there, that how you get the login ID for MTOP app. It is not similar to the ID that ICSI give you. It is not similar. You get an email by admin of TCSION, and that is your ID, that is your password. Okay. So wait until and unless your registration is getting approved, and wait for a few days. So you will get it around after a week or 10 days of your registration is approved. You will get a separate login ID by admin of TCSION. Use that to get yourself logged in MTOP app or e-learning portal of ICSI. So once you get enrolled, you can just go to my courses, and then you will have the option of getting yourself enrolled in ODOP. Launch that and you can just do it. I will make a separate video just how to do it, because I have also not done in the online mode. I did it in offline mode. So this was a simple how to do it in online mode. You have to go to MTOP app or e-learning website, and you have to log in. You have to go to my courses, you have to check the ODOP, you have to complete the video, give the exam at the end, and your certificate will be provided. The certificate will take some time to be mailed to you, but it will be provided. So wait 24 hours after giving your exam. Now how to do it in offline mode. So offline mode, you will get email by ICSI, okay, your nearest chapter of ICSI. So keep checking your spam folder, because my ODOP mail was in spam folder. So keep checking your spam folder. So you get a mail by your nearest chapter. You don't have to ask them regularly, or you can just call once and ask them, is there any ODOP going on, or is there any dates for ODOP? If they will say no, so wait. If they will say yes, then you can say by when or what. You can ask the further details, okay? But it will be mailed to you by ICSI, okay? So just don't panic like kab hoga. It might not be conducted in offline mode for you because of the pandemic. So make sure you do it in online mode. Make sure you complete in online mode, so at the end, while you're filling your examination form, you don't have to wait. You don't have to panic. You don't have to see like, oh, I can't fill the examination form since my ODOP is not completed. So you don't have to worry at that, and you don't have to worry about all these. You just have a hassle-free examination enrollment. So make sure you don't miss out ODOP in online mode. So in short, in offline mode, ICSI will mail you the date, venue, everything. Your nearest chapter will mail you the everything about it, okay? So there are 75 regional chapters, guys. There must be around your city. So don't worry. You just make sure what is. You can Google all the ICSI chapters. You can know which is nearest to you. You can get their numbers. So everything is mentioned in ICSI website. Everything is on internet. Don't panic, just have everything clear, okay? If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section as well. What you have to do is you just have to wait for ICSI to mail you, and if they mail you, they will mail you the venue, the date, everything. You just have to fill the form. They will send you in the mail, and you have to go there with your whatever they will ask you to bring with you. They don't ask to bring anything, but whatever they ask you, make sure you take them and just settle down and enjoy your ODOP. That's it. You can also check my ODOP vlog. I have already made it, and I already uploaded it few months back, so make sure you watch that. Next question is, do we need to go where in the pandemic? No guys, you don't need to go where anywhere during the pandemic. Once it's over, only then it would be conducted in offline mode. So make sure before that you do it in online mode. It would be very much helpful, and it would be a hassle-free enrollment afterwards when you enroll for your examination. So make sure you do it in online mode. So guys, talking about the certificates, yes, you get certificates. If you give your exam, your ODOP in online mode, you will get it in soft copy mailed by ICSI to you. And if you do it in offline mode, it would be given at that time at the end of the ODOP session, and you don't have to upload it anywhere. It would be just verified by ICSI, and it would be mentioned that the roll number this is done with their ODOP. Okay, so don't worry guys, make sure you do it in online mode. I would be requesting you to do it in online mode always. So make sure do it in online mode, and just wait for offline mode. If it is not conducted in offline mode, don't worry guys, just because of pandemic, ओके उसमें भी वो पैंडमिक में आपने इसको दान कर दिया, आपने इसका सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, जस्ट फील अ लिटिल बिट सैड एंड देन मूव ऑन, स्टडी फॉर CS executive exams. And also guys, it is very much difficult for me to manage my studies on YouTube, so make sure subscribe to my channel so everything seems worth it. And don't forget to like this video, and if you have any doubts you can comment down below. Also subscribe to my new channel, and let's see you guys in another video. Bye bye.